1.1.4 is an inequality. It reads x squared minus 3 is greater than 2x. Now, in order to solve this problem, with inequalities, we solve them just as how we would a normal equation, except how we write our final answer. So at this point, just like we did earlier, we're going to form our two brackets, each with the x inside. And again, we're going to consider the factors of 3 that will give us minus 2 when added, but give us minus 3 when multiplied. And that would be minus 3 plus 1. Therefore, at this point, our inequality is requesting values of x such that this side will always be greater than 0. So as such, our answers cannot be definitive values such as x is equals to 3 or minus 1. Rather, these values give us what we call the critical values, basically where the tides change for our answers. So our critical values in this case would be 3 and minus 1. And in order to find our answers, we draw on our Cartesian plane just a basic quadratic function, something like that. And we put minus 1 there and 3 over there. So here we're looking for when this quadratic function, basically, because this represents a quadratic function, is greater than 0. And we can see that happens when we are in these regions of x. Remember, this is the x-axis. Yes, you can put your y-axis if it helps you to draw it better, but it really does not give us any intuition besides telling us that positive is up here, negative is down here. So here we're looking for the positive since we're looking for the region that is greater than 0, and we're looking for the x values that make this possible. And we can see here that it would be from 3 onwards and from minus 1 downwards. So our answer, you can write it as x is either smaller than minus 1 or x is greater than 3.